Good morning, everybody. Today I have a glaze kiln, and it's a special one because today the kiln is 1240 degrees, which is the first time that I ever made it. And I have a reason for that, and I'm going to show you why. So, that's not the reason, but I don't know. I'm going to hang it. I like it, like a mobile. But I like how the colors came out. Look at that orange. The higher the temperature it is, the higher the more beautiful the colors are.
Wow.
Look at that. So let's put it here so you can see it better. Can you see it?
Yeah.
And then it has like a little thing that you can pour your weed. I like it. Okay. So.
Wow, that's beautiful.
That is the reason. That's one of the reasons. Right? I mean, it's groggy, but it's beautiful. I don't know if you can tell the actual color. Yeah, a little bit.
No, it's not quite the color.
It's not quite the color. It's the color is here, for instance. It's very brown.
Yeah, it's like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful.
Beautiful. Good. This is the main reason. Now, I've nothing. What can I say? It's beautiful.
Yeah, you're happy.
I don't know if you can see. This has no glaze in it. On it, it's very matte. It has like little dots. Very creamy. It's not white like in the video, because I'm looking at the video while we're doing it, and it's not. But it's beautiful.
It's not glossy.
No, not. How can it be glossy? It's just the clay.
Yeah.
Next time I will do it. Wow. I'm thinking this and this will be like the highlight. Okay. Very, very happy with the results. Very. We'll see what happens next because okay. All right. This is a weaving ball.
The yarn ball.
The not weaving. The yarn ball.
Yeah.
You put the yarn here, and then you put it here, and then you pull it. And this clay is absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, amazing. And I'm not going to use any glaze on top.
Wow, that's very nice.
Yeah.
It's like an ancient pot.
It was so hard to make it on the wheel because it's so groggy. Wow. But it's beautiful. I love it. Okay. Wow. This is just, I tried this. It's, for some reason, after you see something that it's not so glossy when you see, I mean, it's nice, but...
You prefer the not glossy?
Yeah, I prefer not the glossy. And this as well.
It's like for the ring?
Yeah, for the engagement ring or wedding ring or whatever. Ashtray. I like it. It's black.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Beautiful. Really. All right. Let's continue. Uh-oh. Be careful. Be careful. Oh. Okay. Now this was very important to me. Let's see. What do you think?
That's the grinder.
Grinder.
Yeah. You did put glaze
here. I did put glaze because I didn't. It's the same clay as this one, but I think I mixed it up and I didn't realize that otherwise I would keep it like that, but maybe not. Because I really wanted it to be like
smooth
and sort of like matte. What do you think?
I think it's beautiful, and I think the tray should also be like this.
Oh,
because I think when you want this to be very smooth, and if the clay will be like give friction to the wood, so it will not be good. Maybe the glaze will make it smoother.
I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to try it. The thing is, you can always watch it. I agree with you, but if I do that, then I won't be able to put the letters. You won't be able to see the letters. I like it. This is a combination. It's a combo. This you'll see. This. All right. Now we're gonna show you. Okay, so this is a toothbrush holder. It's just something that I decided to try to do.
Yeah.
We'll see how that's gonna be. Wow, would you look at that? I didn't expect that to happen. It's the temperature.
Yeah.
When it's lower, when the temperature is lower, then it's much nicer. Well, I gave it a try. And that's actually the one for the candles. But it is what it is. Not everything is perfect. This is not bad. But look at the nose. I used the same underglaze for the nose. It's actually not it's ungob. The ungob.
Ouch.
Why kill it? Why? I did nothing to you. Don't kill nothing. Okay. Wait. Now let's see. Actually, the dotted glaze, which I was very afraid of,
came out beautiful.
Yeah. You see how it's inside? It's almost glossy inside, and outside it's matte. Now I don't remember which one is what. I guess this will fit here. And this is for dates and walnuts, not just nuts. I have a whole thing here.
Nice.
Nice, eh? Perfecto. This is perfecto. Okay. This is also, I like it.
Yes.
It's for toothbrush. You see? Cute. This, I was bored one day, so I decided to make a vase. There's nothing, maybe for a toothbrush, but then you have to clean it. There's no hole in it. And this, wow. This turned out to be very, very nice. Here I didn't put anything. No gloss.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And this is also from the yarn. It's a yarn ball.
Nice.
Beautiful. So, it is what it is. Thanks for watching. Ooh, I'm sweating. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, make comments, and thank you. See you from Cyprus.